Hello, today we will guide you through how to see your properties on Booking.com. In this quick walkthrough, we'll show you how to find and view the properties connected to your Booking.com group account. This is useful if you manage more than one property and want a simple way to check which listings are active and where to find the full property list. To begin, open the Booking.com group homepage in your browser. Once the page loads, make sure you are on the correct administrative area for your group account. This is the main place where Booking.com brings together information related to the properties under your management. If the page takes a moment to load, just wait until the dashboard is fully visible so you can clearly see the available options. From there, click on Group Homepage. This will take you to the central group view where your account's property information is organized. If you are already on that page, simply confirm that you're in the right section before moving on. It's a good idea to look over the page layout briefly so you know where the key information appears. Next, scroll down the page. As you move lower, you should begin to see your active properties displayed on the screen. These are the properties currently associated with your group account and available within this view. Depending on how many properties you manage, the list may appear immediately or further down the page, so continue scrolling until the section becomes visible. Near the bottom, you will also see the full list of properties. This list gives you a broader overview and helps you confirm exactly which properties are included in your account. If you're reviewing multiple listings, take your time here to check that everything appears as expected. This can be especially helpful when managing several hotels, apartments, or accommodations under one group. If you don't see a property right away, make sure you've scrolled far enough and that you're on the correct group page. In some cases, page content may be organized into sections, so a careful review can help you avoid missing anything. That's all it takes to see your properties on Booking.com. By going to the group homepage, selecting the group view, and scrolling down, you can quickly locate both your active properties and the full property list. Thanks for watching, and we hope this guide made the process clear and easy to follow.